The Decoy system. This sounds like something from a spy movie, but in fact, it is a simple, smart way to set up a scullery that will make your job far easier and faster. In this lesson, we will be focusing on defining the decoy system and its importance, and setting up the decoy system. Let's start off with defining the decoy system and its importance. Have you ever been in the scullery after a busy lunch and service colleagues dump the plates and glasses everywhere? You might end up feeling helpless and frustrated. To prevent this, a decoy system can be set up so that it is simple for service colleagues to pack away soiled tableware, making it quick and efficient for you to wash. In essence, the decoy system is an arrangement of the different plates, crates, and buckets available, so that when dirty tableware is brought to the scullery, it can be stacked according to style and size. An example of each item is always left out, so that when more tableware is brought to the scullery, it can be sorted easily. Now that we know what a decoy system is and why it's important, let's take a look at setting up the decoy system. To begin with, make sure your scullery is clean, organized, and neat. If it starts dirty, it will end dirty. First of all, there must be a bin for food scraps and a bucket for liquid waste, such as old coffee or juice. It is the service colleague's job to scrape all scraps and throw away all the liquid waste before the tableware is placed in the decoy system. Your scullery pass or station with which service colleagues will come in contact must have a V-shaped top with a support bar in the middle. The crates for glasses, fitted with varying holes to naturally separate the different glass shapes, such as wine glasses and tumblers, must be placed on top of the pass, resting against the support bar. Once the crate is full, it can be pulled over the support bar to be placed in the ware washer. Look at every plate that is used in your outlet. Place one of each plates on the service side of the pass. Dirty plates can then be separated by service colleagues without any confusion, and the plates will be stacked and ready for washing. Next, place a large, flat bucket on the pass and fill it halfway with pre-soak solution. To make the pre-soak solution, mix 10 grams of Diversi K2 for every liter of water. The pre-soak solution is for dirty cutlery. Provide a separate flat crate for all the ceramic drinking ware, such as tea and coffee cups and teapots. This is because they are very fragile and must not be mixed with any other items, because they might get chipped and damaged. Congratulations on learning all about the decoy system. Once you have this mastered, maintaining a neat and clean scullery will be a piece of cake. Next, we will be looking at washing the different pieces of tableware from the decoy system.